In primetime news this evening, JPS paints grim reality for customers served in areas hardest hit by Hurricane Beryl. Farmers in St. Elizabeth picking up the pieces. And Manning School in Westmoreland facing its biggest challenge yet after last week's hurricane.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, Jamaica is set to access about $2.5 billion from the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, and local hoteliers give their report on the impact of Hurricane Beryl. Those and more in the business day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, I know you know as a track and field fan that the J3 has released a 66-member team to the Paris Olympics on Sunday. But the latest is that today, the J3's executive is saying that changes may be made given some restrictions and regulation tightening that the IOC has made in terms of team size. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
As in clip?
It looks like that. It certainly sounds like that.
Oh, no. All right. Well, with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast, here's Romain.
Thanks, Janella. We have stable conditions that are expected across the region over the next couple of days. We also have some strong winds in the forecast and small craft warnings as well.
As long as it's winds and not rain.
And not rain. Andrea was applauding him, by the way. That is good news. So there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback.
And this evening, we are asking what has impressed you the most about the recovery effort following the passage of Hurricane Beryl?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can tweet us on, you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.